Where are we, Lil?
Roderick Lake, no, Barlaston Downs.
Lily seems to think that we're at Roderick Lake. She thinks that's Rudyard Lake. Where you? Oh, I've never been to Roderick Lake before. Sounds a beautiful place. New Year's Day, 2019. And we've come for a walk.
My phone isn't dead.
Phone's not dead. We've come to Barlaston Downs for a brief walk. Lily's trying to do videos. Where's yourself?
My phone is just. It's yours though.
No, it's mine.
It's mine now.
It isn't. So, you're alright for slides in here.
Brilliant, yeah. Go straight down here.
Trouble is, you'd take off on this bumpy bit here.
Would be brilliant for sliding in, wouldn't it?
It's a brisk winter's day and we've come for a walk. Came out Boxing Day and we're doing a walk around the Downs now, and I've never seen so many people on the Downs. Cars parked all the way up the road. So yeah, just having a wander around. Enjoy the last of the sunshine on the first day of 2019. So let's explore. Someone's lost the dog. Shame. Good walk, Lil? Right, first video of 2019 completed. Our walk around Barlaston Downs. Lily's done her little video as well. She's just playing it back in the car. So yeah, I hope you've had a good celebration last night. Had a few drinks, went to bed quite late, but certainly not drunk. Catch you on the next video. Hope you have a cracking new year. Stay safe on this one. See how it goes. Thank you very much for all the new subscribers and comments, much appreciated. The car's getting past, so yeah, hope you have a great 2019. Hope you enjoyed our little walk, and we'll see you soon. Cheers.